Hi everyone, welcome to My Max Academy. We'll continue with chapter 3, pair of linear equations in two variables for 10th standard CBSE Max. We'll continue with exercise 3.6 in page number 67. So page number 67, exercise 3.6 in page number 67. Okay, so first question, first part. Right, so the given equations are 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y equal to 2, 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y equal to 13 by 6. So we need to solve this and find the value of x and y. So as I said, here if you observe, the variables are coming in the denominator. When the variables come in the denominator, then it's not a linear equation. So we need to convert this in the form of a linear equations by making some proper substitution. So what substitution we will do? So let's take, so this is equation 1, equation 2. So let's write this as 1 by 2 of 1 by x. 1 by 2x means what? 1 by 2 into 1 by x, because 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into x is 2x, plus 1 by 3 of 1 by y equal to 2. Again, this 1 by 3x can be written as 1 by 3 into 1 by x. That is 1 by 3x. 1 into 1 is 1, 3 into x is 3x. Plus 1 by 2y is written as 1 by 2 of 1 by y equal to 13 by 6. Now if you observe, you need to make sure that you have same. Here also 1 by x, here also 1 by x. So we can put 1 by x as some value p. Similarly 1 by y, 1 by y. We can put 1 by y as some q. So we will substitute 1 by x as p and 1 by y as q. Then what it becomes? So this becomes 1 by 2 of, the above equation becomes 1 by 2 of, what is 1 by x? 1 by x is p, so p. Plus 1 by 3 of, what is 1 by y? That is q, so q equal to 2. Now again 1 by 3 of, this is 1 by x. 1 by x is what? P. So we'll put 1 by 3 of, in the place of 1 by x, I'll put p. Plus 1 by 2 of 1 by y. 1 by y is q. 1 by 2 of q. So 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. Value of 1 by y is q. So I'm substituting that. So this becomes 13 by 6. Now right. So we call this as equation 3 and equation 4. Right. Now again, this is a linear equations in two variables, because we have got the variables on the numerator. So it's in that no linear equation in two variables form. Now again the next step is we should convert this. Again we see the fraction, we see the numbers in the denominator. So we will try to simplify this and try to get it in such a way that there is no denominators. The number should not be in the denominator. We can avoid that. So how do we do this? Let's take the first equation, this one. So let's try to add these two. If we add these two, what do we get? 3 into p. 3 into p is 3p plus 2 into q is 2q. We are doing fraction addition. By 2 into 3 is 6 equal to this 2. So you get 3p plus 2q equal to this 6 will go here. It will become 6 into 2 will become 12. So this is equation 3 only. So equation 3 we have rewritten like this. This equation has become like this. Similarly, let's take this equation. So what is this equation? This is 1 by 3p plus 1 by 2q equal to 13 by 6. Right? Again, let's do the addition. So 2 into p. 2 into p is 2p plus 3 into q is 3q by, right? So see, this is 1 by 3p means what? 1 by 3p means p by 3, or we can put 1 by 3p. So 2 into p, 2p, 3 into q is 3q by 2 into 3 is 6 equal to 13 by 6. Now you'll get 2p plus 3q equal to 13 by 6. This 6 will go up, it will become into 6. Now they will get cancelled. Now what you get? You get 2p plus 3q equal to 13, which is the fourth equation. So we have rewritten the second equation and third equation in this form, this one and this one. So I will write again, that is 3p. I'm writing the third equation, which is 3p plus 2q equal to 12 I have written this equation again here, which is third equation. And the fourth equation is this 2p plus 3q equal to 13. This is fourth equation. So what we have done, we first converted this in the form of in the pair of linear equations in two variables. Again we try to avoid the fraction values in the coefficients. We don't want numbers in the denominator. So for that we will do normal addition, fraction addition, and then get to this form. Now we can solve this using any one of the method, and most preferable method is our elimination method. Now what do? Now we will check whether the coefficient of p is same. No. At least coefficient of q is same. No. 2 and 3 they are not same. So which means we should make one of the coefficients same. So what we'll do is we'll multiply the third equation, this equation fully with this 2, and this fourth equation fully with this 3. Then if I multiply this with fully with 2, then the first term will become 6p. This will become 4q, this will become 24. Then again if I multiply this with 3, this will also become 6p, and this will become 9q and 39. That is fine. So we will multiplying third equation by 2, third equation, this whole equation by this 2, and fourth equation by this 3, fourth equation by 3, this 3, fourth by 3, third equation by 2. So this equation by this number 2, and this equation by this number 3. Now what do we get? So now multiplying the equation 3 by this 2, fully 2. Right? So what do we get? If I have to multiply each term in the third equation by 2, so this will become 6p. So 2 into 3p, 6p, 2 into 2q is 4q, equal to 2 into 12 is 24. Then again 3 into this whole fourth equation should be multiplied by 3. So multiply by 3, this one. This is the fourth equation. We are going to multiply the fourth equation by 3. So 3 into 2p is 6p, plus 3 into 3q is 9q, equal to 3 times 13 is 39. Now we have made the coefficients same. Now we need to check whether the signs are different or same. Here this is also plus 6, this is also plus 6. When the signs are same, we should subtract. Subtract meaning we have to change the sign of this equation, below equation. So this will become minus, I can call this as 5, I can call this as 6. So when both the signs are same, then we should subtract, which means we should change the sign of the below equation. So this plus will become minus, this is plus, it will become minus, this is plus, will become minus. Now 6p will get cancelled. 4q minus 9q is minus 5q, equal to 24 minus 39 is minus 15. Right? Now we get our q as minus 15 by minus 5. So q becomes 3. Q becomes 3. Fine. So now we need to find the value of p. We have found q. We have to find the value of p. So how do we find the value of p? So let's go and substitute the value of q in any one of this equation. We'll substitute in the third equation. Any one you can substitute. We'll substitute value of q as 3 in the third equation. So substitute q is equal to 3 in third equation. Hey, what is the third equation? Third equation is 3p plus 2q equal to 12. Right? 3p plus 2q equal to 12. In that we are going to substitute q as 3. Then it becomes 3p plus 2 into q. Q is 3 equal to 12. So we get 3p plus 6 equal to 12. So 2 times 3 is 6. 3p is equal to 12 minus 6. 3p equal to 6. So p is equal to 6 by 3. P is equal to 6 by 3, which means p is equal to 2. So what we have got? We have got the value of q. We have got the value of p. Now we should find the value of x and y. We have to find the value of x and y. Ultimately we have to find the value of x and y. But what is? Take this equation, because you are going to substitute p as 2 in this to find x. Right? So what we have? We have 1 by x is p. That was the substitution we did here. Now here you substitute p is equal to 2. So 1 by x is equal to 2. In the place of p I am putting 2. Then x will go this side. So it will become 1 equal to 2x. Which means 2x is equal to 1. Which means x is equal to 1 by 2. So we found x. Now let's try to find y. Y is what? 1 by y is q. And we know q is 3. Substitute q as 3 here. Then what do we get? So I'll write here. So 1 by y is q. Which means 1 by y is, what is the value of q? Q is 3. Substitute 3 here. then take this y to that side, so it will go to the numerator, so it will become 1 equal to 3 into y, 3y, or I can write 3y equal to 1, so y becomes 1 by 3. So what is our final answer? Our answer is x is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3. Clear? So this is the solution for this given equation. Fine. Now we will continue to do the second problem. Fine. In the first problem, second subdivision, I mean. Fine. So in this we will go to the second subdivision of same problem number 1. So what is the given equation there? The given equations are 2 by root x plus 3 by root y equal to 2. Then similarly 4 by root x minus 9 by root y equal to minus 1. Equation 1, equation 2. We have to solve this and find the value of x and y. Again we see x comes in the denominator. Also there is a square root. The moment variable comes in the denominator, or if the variable has square root, we have to make some substitution and given. So this is not a linear equations in two variables. We have to convert them as a linear equations in two variables. So what do we do for that? We will try to write this. So this one can be written as 2 into 1 by root x. This can be written as plus 3 into 1 by root y equal to 2. Then this can be written as 4 into 1 by root x minus 9 into 1 by root y equal to minus 1. Now we see that this is also 1 by root x, this is also 1 by root x, here also 1 by root y, 1 by root y. So we can make a substitution 1 by root x as some value. So we will substitute 1 by root x equal to some p, and we will substitute 1 by root y as some q. Now what these equations will become? So this will become 2 into 1 by root x is what? P. It will become 2p plus 3 into 1 by root y. 1 by root y is q. 3q equal to 2. Then again 4 into 1 by root x is p. So 4 into p, 4p minus 9 into 1 by root y is q. Q equal to minus 1. Now we need to solve these two equations, right, by any one method. Right, most probably we'll go for elimination method. We go for elimination method, right? So we go for elimination method. So now you try to solve these two by any one of the method, preferably elimination method. You know how to solve this. If you solve this, you will get the value of p as 1 by 4, and you will get the value of q as 1 by 9. Right? If you solve, you will get this answer, right? If you solve this by using elimination method, you will get this answer. Now after finding this, you should find the value. So I am not doing this part where you are calculating p and q. Like how we did this problem, similarly you will find p and q. So you will get p as 1 by 4 and q as 1 by 9. So once you get them, then we need to find the value of x and y. So you will solve using elimination method, you will get this. Then we have to go back to here. So what is 1 by root x? 1 by root x is p. So which means, I'll write here, probably I'll write here. So what we got is, we got 1 by root x is p. That is a substitution that we made. 1 by root x as p. So which means 1 by root x is equal to p. P is what? P is 1 by 4. 1 by 4. You substitute here. Then what do you get? Cross multiply. 1 into 4 is 4 equal to root x into 1 is root x. Right? Sorry, I think you will get the value of p as you will get the value of p as 1 by 2 and value of q as 1 by 3. So when you solve this, you will get, yes, you will get the value of p as 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Please make this note. I mean, if you solve this, you will get it. I'm just writing without solving. You can solve and get it. So this will become 1 by 2. So root x will become 2. If you cross multiply, 2 into 1 is 2, root x into 1 is root x. When root x is 2, so x becomes the square, root goes this side, it will become square, it will become 2 square. So your x becomes 4. What is the value of x? Your x becomes 4. Now let's try to find the value of y. So how do we find the value of y? For the value of y, what is y? 1 by root y is q. So 1 by root y is q. Now q is what? 1 by 3. I mean, if you solve this using elimination method, you get p as 1 by 2, 1, q as 1 by 3. So now substitute here. So 1 by root y is q. Q is what? 1 by 3. So put 1 by 3. Right? Then cross multiply. So you'll get 3. 1 into 3 is 3 equal to root y into 1 is root y. So which means root y equal to 3. Then y becomes this square. If the square root goes this side, it will become square. It will become 3 square. Whenever you have root x equal to suppose a, then x becomes a square. X becomes square of, so you will get y as 9. So what is the final answer? Your answer is x is equal to 4, y is equal to 9. Clear? So x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 9 is the final answer. Clear? So let's try to do next one. So next one I will try to make some substitution. I will get it in this form and then I will stop it. Then you can solve and find x and y. So probably I will, because we have done many problems in this similar way. So I will try to convert the given equation in this form, and then after that you can solve it. But some of the problems you can solve it, but some 1 or 2 problems I will do in these 8 sub problem under the first problem. So next one is the third problem. Fine. So let me try to take a new marker. Give me a minute. So here what happens is, so we'll do the first problem, third sub problem. First problem, in the first question, third sub problem, the same exercise. So what it is? So it says 4 by x. Question is 4 by x plus 3 by y equal to 14. Then 3 by x minus 4y equal to 23. Right? Sorry, this is 3y, not 3 by y. It's 3y. Right? 4 by x plus 3y equal to 14. 3 by x minus 4y equal to 23. Now we should find the value of x and y. Now again, the moment you see here y is in the numerator, so there is no issue with y, but x is in the denominator. X is in the denominator. So which means it is not a linear equation. So which means we need to make some substitution to get them in the form of linear equation in 2 variables. So this is, so solution is 4 of, I'm going to write this. So this is one equation, this is second equation. So I'm going to write this as 4 of 1 by x plus 3 into y equal to 14. This is 3 into 1 by x minus 4y equal to 23. Clear? So now here, now if you observe this 1 by x, we have to make some substitution. There is no 1 by y. It is just y. So don't disturb this. So y can be y itself. Y can be as y itself because y is not in the denominator. But only this variable x is in the denominator. So we will make substitution only for this 1 by x. We will substitute 1 by x as some variable. We will put 1 by x as some p. 1 by x as some p, and for y, we need not make any substitution. We need not put any substitution for y because y is already in the numerator. So if we make only the substitution for x, we mean 1 by x as p, then this equation will become 4 into 1 by x is p plus 3. Here you write y as it is, because we are not substituting for y. We are substituting only for 1 by x is equal to p equal to 14. Now 3 into, in this equation, 3 into 1 by x is p, 3p minus 4y equal to 23. So we are not making any substitution for y. We are making our 1 by y because there is no 1 by y. If there was a 1 by y, then we would have put 1 by y as q, and then we would have written this as 3q and 4q. Since there was no 1 by y, we did not make any substitution for 1 by y because there was no 1 by y, it was just y. And so which means we will not. Now we need to solve these two equations and find the value of p and y. And find the value of p and y. So again, it's a linear equations in two variables. Here the variables are p and y, not x and y, p and y. You can have any two variables. Now you can solve this using elimination method, and then you find the value of p and you find the value of y. After finding the value of p, you need to substitute the value of p here and then get the value of x. And y anyway you would have got it here. You don't have to substitute for y like this, because we are not making any substitution like 1 by y or 1 by root y equal to q. So when you solve this, you will get the value for p. If you solve this using elimination method, or any method you can choose, but preferably we will go by elimination method. If you do for elimination method, then you will get p as some value and y as some value. Once you get some value for p, then substitute the value of p here and get the value of x. Then you can solve, right? Hope you can continue to solve the rest of the part. So I will mostly do till this part, right? And you can do the remaining part like how we did in the earlier problems, fine? So we'll move on to the next one. The next question is, again, I'll start there. Erase this. So we will go to the first problem, fourth sub problem in the first question, right? So what is the question? Question is 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 equal to 2, 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 equal to 1. So this is the question, right? Now we need to solve and find the value of x and y. So this problem is exactly similar to the example 18, example 18 in page number 64 that we did it in the previous video. You can see just my previous video where I have done example 18 in page number 64 in your textbook, page number 64, example 18. So this problem is similar to example 18 in page number 64 in your textbook. So anyways, I will do this till this step. After that you will be able to do similar to how we did our example 18 in your textbook, which is there in just the previous video. You can watch, you can find example 18. Now let's go here. Let's try to make some substitutions. Again, this is not a linear equation into two variables. We have to make the same substitution to get them converted as a linear equations in two variables. So what we'll say, we'll write this as 5 into 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 equal to 2. Then 6 into 1 by x minus 1 plus minus 3 into 1 by y minus 2 equal to 1. If you want, you can put a bracket here also. It's not required, there's no number. Now what substitution we will make here also? 1 by x minus 1, 1 by x minus 1. This is 1 by y minus 2, 1 by y minus 2. So we will put the substitute 1 by x minus 1 as p, and here 1 by y minus 2 will substitute it as q. So if you put this, then what this through equation becomes? So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. The same equation I have written like this, because 5 by x minus 1 means 5 into 1 by x minus 1. This is 1 by y minus 2, I wrote it as it is. 6 by x minus 1 means 6 into 1 by x minus 1 minus 3 into 1 by y minus 2, which is 1. Now substitute 1 by x minus 1 as p, this as p, and 1 by y minus 2 as q. Then in these two equations, what it becomes? It becomes 5 into 1 by x minus 1. What is the value of 1 by x minus 1? P, because that is what we substituted. So 5p plus 1 by y minus 2 is q equal to 2. Then again 1 by x minus 1 is p. Substitute here p. Then you get 6p minus 3q. This becomes q equal to 1. So call this as third equation and fourth equation. Again you need to solve these two using elimination method. Find the value of p and q. Once you find the value of p and q, substitute the value of p here. You can get the value of x. Substitute the value of q here. You can find the value of y. So finally you can find the value of x and y. Clear? So this you can continue like how we did the previous problem. Same way you can continue and find the value of p and q using elimination method. Solve and find p and q. After finding p and q, substitute the value of p here and get x. Substitute the value of q here and get the value of y. Clear? So we will go to the next one, next problem. which is in first problem, fifth sub problem. See, I'm trying to do anything which is even little, difficult or little different problems. If it is as it is, I don't want to, continue to do the same thing. So you can also have some kind of exercise, or you can some kind of practice. You can try to do this, because I have done similar problems. You can refer my videos and do it. Right? But if you have any doubt, any questions, you can WhatsApp me, and I will answer as much as possible. So this is my WhatsApp number, 98840360777. Fine. So this is fine. So you can continue this. I'm putting some dot. You can continue this. We'll go to the next one, which is in fifth sub problem of problem number 1, fifth sub problem. So what it says? It says, the question is important. The question is 7x minus 2y by xy equal to 5. 8x plus 7y by xy equal to 15. 7x minus 2y by xy equal to 5, and 8x plus 7y by xy equal to 15. So whenever we have like this, we should try to, this is equation 1 and equation 2. Again, what we see the denominator has the variables. So it is not a linear equations in 2 variables, but we can convert them as linear equations in 2 variables by making some substitution. But before that, so we need to have 2 terms. So it's like, this looks like a single term. So we want to take it as a 2 term. So generally we will have x, then y. Right? Here it is like combined by xy. So we need to first split this into 2 terms. So how do we split this? We'll take this. So this I can write it as, so this one, I'm starting from this one. This one I'll write it as 7x by xy minus 2y by xy equal to 5. I'm splitting this into 2 forms. So you can always do that. See, if you have like this, a plus b by, or a minus b, doesn't matter. A minus b by c, you can write this as, write somewhere, put in the down. I'll write it here. So whenever you have like this, a minus b by c, you can write it as a by c minus b by c. Or if you have a plus b by c, you can write it as a by c plus b by c. Right? So it's a normal, usual, our normal fraction, addition or subtraction. So this is like this. A, you can think this as a minus b by c. I can write as a by c minus b by c. Right? Equal to 5. Now, once I break this into 2, now if you add this, you will get back this. Right? See, you can, example is, if you have something like 5 minus 3 by 2, you can write this as 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2. 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 is what? 5 minus 3 by 2. Anyway, so we have broken. So now here x will get cancelled. Here y will get cancelled. And then what do we get? We get 7 by y minus, this will become 2 by x equal to 5. Right? So we'll keep this as third equation. Now again, take this second one. Right? Again, break this like this, a plus b by, this is like a plus b by c. A plus b by c can be written as a by c plus b by c. Right? Can be written as a by c plus b by c. So in this case, what will happen here is, this will become 8x by xy plus 7y by xy plus 7y by xy. That is equal to 15. You can break it as 8x by xy plus 7y by xy equal to 15. I am writing like this. A plus b by c is a by c plus b by c. This is like a. This is b by c. This is c. So a plus b by c is a by c plus b by c equal to 15. Now here again x will get cancelled. Here y will get cancelled. You will get 8 by y plus 7 by x equal to 15. Call it as fourth equation. Clear? Fine. Now what we have got, the equations have become like this. Now we have 7 by y minus, I'm writing this, 2 by x equal to 5. This is the third equation, and this one is 8 by y minus 7 by x, plus 7 by x equal to 15. This is your fourth equation. Third and fourth. This fourth equation I'm writing. This equation I have written here, this I have written here. Now again we have the variable in the denominator. This is still not a linear equations in two variables, but here we can make a substitution. So since in this form we couldn't make any substitution, we can't put 1 by x equal to something, or 1 by y equal to q, 1 by x equal to p, or 1 by y equal to q. We can't make the substitution like this. So we are slowly converting the equation in this form. Now here you can make the substitution, because this 7 by, I'm erasing this. See, 7 by y means 7 into 1 by y. 7 by y means 7 into 1 by y minus 2 into 1 by x equal to 5. Again, this is 8 by y means 8 into 1 by y minus, plus 7 into 1 by x equal to 15. Clear? Now we will put substitute. We will substitute 1 by y as q we will put, and 1 by x we will put it as p. Right? We will put 1 by y as q and 1 by x as p. Then this equation will become 7 into 1 by y. 1 by y is q. 7q minus 2 into 1 by x. 1 by x is p equal to 5. Similarly, 8 into 1 by y is 8q plus 7 into 1 by x. 1 by x is p. It becomes 7p equal to 15. Clear? So now you can solve this and find the value of p and q. You can solve this by elimination method. Find the value of p and q. After finding the value of p and q, substitute the value of p and q here and find the value of x and y. Fine. So hope you can complete this. Right? Now let's go to the next problem. In first problem, I'll write here. In first problem, sixth subproblem. The first problem, sixth subproblem. So what the question is? The question is 6x plus 3y equal to 6xy and 2x plus 4y equal to 5xy. Fine. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now again here you have a xy term here. If there was a number, then this is linear equation 2. You have an xy here, extra xy. If there was no xy, if it is like 6x plus 3y equal to 6, 2x plus 4y equal to 5, then you could have solved. It will be a linear equations in two variables, but we have an xy here. So what we should do is, we'll try to convert this in such a way that there is no xy here, and also we get into a form of a linear equations in two variables. So what we'll do is, we'll take this equation, 6x plus 3y is 6xy. Then we'll bring this xy alone down here. Then this will become 6x plus 3y by xy equal to 6. So what you have done, I have taken only the xy alone, and it will come this side, means it will go to the denominator. Here it is in the numerator. It is 6 into xy. If I take xy alone here, it will become by xy. Right? Now you keep it as it is. Now second equation, 2x plus 4y equal to 5xy. So here also you try to take the xy term down. So it will become 2x plus 4y by xy equal to 5. Clear? This xy alone I have taken down, so it will come down. Right? So if you cross multiply, you will get back this. If xy goes here, it will become 5 into, you will get back this equation. Now if you observe this, if I call this as third equation and fourth equation. Now if you observe this third equation and fourth equation, right? Third equation, this is fourth equation. If you observe this third equation and fourth equation, this looks like this problem. Now the first sixth problem has become like first fifth problem in this form. See this is the first equation here. This is like this equation. Now you need to follow the same step. What you should do, you should break it. You should write this as 6x plus 6x by xy plus 3y by xy equal to 6. Then 2x by xy plus 4y by xy equal to 5 in this form. So now follow the same step that we did for the earlier problem. Right? Then find the value of, then you will get it into this form. Then you have to make the substitution as p and q. Then you will get it in this form. Then find p and q. After finding p and q, substitute here, find the value of x and y. Clear? So what I have done is, in the first sixth problem, I have done to a step where this problem, first to sixth problem, has become like a first to fifth problem, which is in this form. If it is in this form, you know how to do this. You have to split this, like what I had explained how to do this problem when I was doing this problem. Same method should be followed. So after this, you take this third equation and fourth equation, like these two, and whatever we have done for these two, follow the same thing, find the value of x and y. Clear? So I will stop here, and you can watch my next video for the continuation of this chapter. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you.